Hey, I'm Megan and welcome back to my channel. I am so excited because I have sitting next to me the brand new Bugaboo Ant stroller. It's come in a small box here and a much heavier big box right here. And I thought it would be really fun to do a quick unboxing slash how to put your ant together video. So let's get right to it. I'm gonna start with the small box because it's easier to lift. Seems like a good reason, but it looks like what's in this box are the stroller hubcaps. Those side, I don't even know what to call these, the things that sit on the side of the stroller. This is the canopy and seat fabric, it looks like, and I got the neon red with a black chassis, like a black frame stroller. So there's that, and that is everything that was in the small box. You can see on this side of the box it says, like, don't cut it, so I'm just flipping it over. Okay, I heard that the stroller comes mostly already set up, like all together, and it's looking like that's pretty true. Okay, I'm gonna just pull these out. I don't think I'm gonna have to assemble very much. We've got it out, and that's it. It's all in one piece, and then there's the box. Okay, here we go. It has something going on here. Quick fold guide and a smaller box. And inside here are the wheels. And then in here is your instruction manual. So let's see. Step one is to attach those side pieces. So let's break those out of the box. 1, 2. Okay, it looks like you put like the big tab under first, and then the rest of it kind of fits in after that. Perfect, now that side is in, and I flip it around, and hopefully this second side goes faster and easier. Big one in first, and then, yep. That looks like that's the big trick. You just kind of push them along the side and they each snap into place. Second, we're gonna do the hubcaps. Is that I don't know if that's like the correct word for what I'm about to do, but. So see how cute that is? It's like iconic Bugaboo white wall tires. Perfect, one done. And then it looks like your front tires get ones on each side, which makes sense because they swivel and you want everybody to know that you have a Bugaboo from every possible angle. Okay, same thing on here. Pop, 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 pop them in. Perfect. And it should do like a final snap into place when you've got it just so. Now we attach the wheels, makes sense. 1, 2, great. It doesn't look like that matters which side, which one goes where. And then onto the front one here. What I love about Bugaboo is when you get it right, everything gives you that nice click to let you know. Okay, looks like we're ready to open it up. It says first we're supposed to push in on the white and stand it up until it gives you that nice click again. When I first opened it, just in locked position, and then you just push these up to open up the stroller, and then it again gives you that nice click. So now we have an open stroller. Now I imagine, yep, we're gonna flip the seat up. Just give it a nice little tug to release. There we go. So that's what we're looking at, is the seat all ready to go. It's got its buckle, it's got the thing for the canopy. Now, find out what to do next. We made it through so many steps. Yep, so you're gonna grab that pull tab and like extend the seat all the way up. And then it looks like my buckle's kind of driving everything crazy. So I'm gonna open that up next. These are gonna come down. Okay, back to the booklet. Find your seat fabric. We can do that. I found it really hard to choose a color for my canopy. I think like there's black, red, gray, and pink. I think that's the first run of colors. I have a little boy, so I probably wasn't gonna go with the pink off the bat. And then the black was pretty, it's really pretty. I almost went with that. But I just thought like, is it too lame to say like Christmas is coming? And I thought like with holiday travel, the red would be really fun. Don't judge me. I am who I am. Let's see. Okay, seat fabric. It looks like there's a long piece and a smaller piece. There's Velcro, and we're just going to slide that, it looks like, over until it slides on nicely. Seems legit. Okay, there's a zipper on that fabric that I just don't know where that goes to. Pro tip number 1, before you Velcro it here in the back, you're gonna pull this pull tab through its little spot up here so that you can reach it at some point. Okay, better, we're making progress. Okay, so this is gonna go right here, which makes more sense than whatever I was trying to do. And Velcro there. One last step on this top seat fabric. There's, I guess, another hole here to slide canopy section through. More Velcro, more sliding. There is an inside flap. It's hard to see on this black fabric. There's an inside flap. We have to make it around there. Here, maybe we should set it up. This seems better. Okay, I'm gonna fit that flap around there so that part's covered. Okay, so you wanna like grab along the edge and kind of feed it over that, or you'll be like sweating your guts out in no time. Okay, I'm back. I think the baby's down for the night. Nope, not down, but we're gonna carry on. Seat liner has these like, what feels like little posts in them. There's grooves here, which you can't see, still can't see, on the inside of the seat, and it looks like I'm supposed to feed this through. This seems impossible. Okay, I got one in. You kind of have to stretch the fabric across. Okay, there we go. So kind of, I turn the stroller around once I fed it through, and I'm just pulling the back up until it sits behind the back of the seat, it looks like. Then gosh, I think we're getting close. Okay, I really think that's as high as it can go. And then that fabric tucks in behind that part, which makes sense. And then these slits should be just right for the buckle. Okay, push it back a little bit. This is gonna come through. 2 more snaps to click. 1 and 2. I'm not sweating, you're sweating. I think it's on. Onto the canopy. We take this guy and we look at it and try to see if there's a forward and a backwards, and we hope for the best. I've put together a good number of Bugaboo strollers in my day, and it's still always an adventure. Okay, that went in nice and simply. Only time will tell if I did it the right way. You turn it around so that this tag is at the back. I would imagine that would click, so that's interesting. Okay, so it is not a clip. Instead, there are tiny fabric hoops, fun, at the very bottom, which you'll never see. I won't bother showing you. They're round. I think a click might have been simpler in this case, guys. I did it. Wow, huzzah. Okay, we're getting there. I swear it's gonna happen for me. Let's see. I think there's just one step left. Okay, it says I'm going to find a way to zip the zipper of the canopy to the zipper on here. We'll find out how. Okay, seems possible, seems straightforward. That was easier than I thought it would be. Still working, still working. Perfect. Fold down, pull that back, and y'all, I did it! I'm so proud. Okay, there we go. That is the brand new Bugaboo Ant. First impressions, just for fun. I think it feels sturdier than people made it out to seem. Sure, the handle feels like a little bit totally more plasticky than my bee or my donkey, but it's a really lightweight stroller, so that's not terribly shocking. And look for a full review coming to my channel super soon as I can get all of my kids quiet again at the same time. So okay, if you like this video, if you liked hanging out with me for 30 minutes while I put together my stroller, don't worry, I'm sure I shortened it along the way, then go ahead and subscribe here on my channel. I'd love to have you around, and you can find me on Instagram by the same name, @Megan Kingsford, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye!